anything. I mean, literally nothing. The only thing they've done is placed a bunch of pretty random documents from court files onto the internet so that people can start searching them. And since there's a volume of them, make people believe that they've released something. They've released nothing. So what you start with is 302s. Those are FBI statements of witnesses, victims, where they have named who are the abusers, who are the co-conspirators, what did Jeffrey Epstein do, and when did he do it. Then look at the 2006-2007 investigation that the FBI did. Marie Villafana, a great prosecutor, prepared a 53-page indictment in 2007, along with an 82-page pros memo at the same time. We have never seen it to this day, and the public still doesn't have it. No explanation whatsoever. 2011, they interviewed Virginia Roberts. She gave a detailed 302. We only have the redacted version. It's not even out there yet. 2019, countless 302 statements. They confiscated hard drives from Epstein's home. They have all of his emails. They have his schedules. They tell you who he talked to, why he talked to them, when he talked to them. Nothing. Literally no part of the investigation is there yet. The other part of the act was make sure no victims' names are released to the public, because this is all about the victims and we have to protect them. There's countless victims who have been outed, who never wanted to be outed. And what nobody knows is, I saw this coming, wrote a letter to 2 judges, said this is going to happen. The judges told the Department of Justice, don't do that. Work with Brad Edwards and make sure this doesn't happen. We then provided the Department of Justice with a full list of all of the victims' names, said redact all of them before anything goes on the internet. Didn't happen. So they've released no files, no investigative files to comply with the act, and they've released all kinds of victims' names. The only thing they could really do now is take it all down, what they put out there is trash, and start doing what they're supposed to do.
Bradley Edwards, when you saw this and read this, in your judgment as a lawyer, did this feel like just incompetence, or how they exposed these survivors, or did it feel like something else?
It's funny that you say that, because one of the survivors wrote to me and says, look, you're always standing up for the administration and giving them the benefit of the doubt. Are you going to say once again this is just simple incompetence, or do you agree that's intentional malfeasance? That was literally what I got today. Look, the one document that I had never seen before is one that Maria Farmer claims she made a complaint back in 1996, and we've all believed her and have tried to get it for 30 years, and we didn't get it. But that document did show up. It wasn't investigated. It was under Clinton. So I'm guessing that's the reason that we got that one document. Outside of that, there's been absolutely nothing about any of the investigations that have happened related to Jeffrey Epstein. I have met with lawyers that work for DOJ and SDNY. They're not incompetent. So I guess that just leaves no other possibility. I mean, we have to start thinking. If you're not doing your job, you're not following the law, you're not incompetent, this has to be intentional. It's an affront to the victims. It needs to stop now, like tonight.
We need to squeeze in a commercial break here. When we come back, I just want to ask, do you believe that this release of information and personal information about victims and survivors is being done deliberately to try to intimidate them and to try to silence them? We'll be right back with Congressman Ro Khanna and attorney Brad Edwards.